Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your blocked phone numbers list on your iPhone so you can unblock someone if you accidentally blocked them or something like that. So under each contact, if you scroll on down to the bottom, you can block them. It's pretty apparent and easy to do that, but you might not know how to unblock them. So let's go to settings right here and then locate phone under this list. Should be under here, it says phone, messages, FaceTime. Let's go to phone. Now scroll on down and we are looking for block, call blocking and identification. And then we have blocked contacts. Let's select block contacts. And I have one contact under here. This is simply a bot. I put in my phone contacts as bot. So don't text this or anything like that. You're not going to get anything. But we can go to that person's contact right now. And this is what it looked like. So this person is blocked on my iPhone. And we can go to edit and we can remove them if we want. We have a unblock option right there. So I'm not going to do that because that bot is annoying. So just come to this list. Maybe you accidentally blocked someone on your iPhone and you can easily unblock them. And that's why you're not able to receive texts or call from that person. Or maybe you got back on good terms. So everything is good. So you can unblock them. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.